Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to our show. Thank you all for coming out here to see us perform. I just want to let you know the quality of the performance that you're going to see tonight. I personally have been on every major program, unemployment, welfare, food stamps. I've hit them all. And if you're like me, you've said there's nothing like real magic. Well, you're in for a treat tonight because everything I do is nothing like real magic whatsoever. And I'm going to prove it to you.